Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to construct conditional. First of all, what you should know in conditional type 1. In conditional type 1, the verb in if clause is in simple present tense and the verb in main clause is in future tense. A conditional type 2, the verb is in simple past tense and the verb in main clause is composed by modal verb, which means would plus verb 1. In conditional type 3, the verb is in past perfect and the verb in main clause is in past perfect, which means that we have if clause plus past perfect, and the main clause we have modal verb plus past perfect. Let's get started with zero conditional. In zero conditional, we don't have to make a condition because the verb in if clause is in simple present tense, and in main clause the verb remains the same in simple present tense. Here we have some examples. If you hit the ice, it melts. You can see that we have the verb hit, and in main clause we have the verb melt. If you hit the ice, it melts. So there is no conditional here because the verb in if clause is in simple present tense and in main clause is in simple present tense. Reason why they call it zero condition. Let's see conditional type 1. In conditional type 1, the verb is in simple present tense and in main clause the verb is composed by future tense. Here is one example. If you eat too much, you'll gain the wave. If you eat too much, you'll gain wave. So you can see that the verb to eat is in simple present tense and we have the verb gain is in future tense. Conditional type 2. The conditional type 2, we have simple past tense and we have in main verb the modal verb would plus verb visit. Here we have if I had time, I would visit my parents. If I had time, I would visit my parent. You can see that obviously the verb in if clause is in simple past tense and in main clause the verb is composed by modal verb would plus verb visit. The conditional type 3 is composed by past perfect in if clause and in main clause is composed by modal verb would plus past perfect. Here is, if I had earned a lot of money, I would have bought a house. This is what we should learn today. Thank you very much for your attention.